Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google app not working problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. I have solved the problem. Now first open your Play Store app, search Google. Now update your Google app. Finally your Google app is updated. Now open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. Now search Google, tap on Google. Now force stop, then OK. Now click on storage. Now clear cache or clear data. Click on delete. Now restart your device, and finally open your Google app. Google app is working. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.